Hello everyone, welcome to Programming with live video. Today I am showing how to use Visual Studio Code correctly. If you don't know what is Visual Studio Code basically a code editor. Advanced programmer and basically web developer like advanced programmer and modern programmer always prefer Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is free, you can download from Chrome. So let's download. So simply go to any browser, simply then search for VS Code, or you can simply search Visual Studio Code. It's short from is VS Code. Okay, go to code.visualstudio.com, click on the first link, then you can simply download for Windows. It's available for all like various mostly used operating systems. You can download for Windows. It supports like many programming languages, like most popular ones like Python and C++, and others like HTML, CSS also. Okay, so after you download it, the Visual Studio Code, you can simply open Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's show the download process. So how to download? Simply download for your operating system. Let's cut it. Okay, now good. After it's downloading, today the Wi-Fi is very slow. Okay, it's downloading. It depends on your PC performance and Wi-Fi, how the file downloads and run. It's still downloading. Visual Studio Code also have some great features like the shortcuts and also some features like GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is great, but if you are not if you don't let's leave that matter. Okay, so also the 60k extensions, that's very good. You can download any Visual Studio Code extension. Like my favorite is always Live Preview. If you are a web developer, if you are a code debugger, basically Code Runner is a very good extension for beginners. Code Runner, it's very good. You can download from Visual Studio Code directly. Code Runner. And also if you download Python and don't know how to write a code in Visual Studio Code, you need to download the Python extension and select the Python. Basically when you create a Python file in Visual Studio Code, it will automatically understand the dictionaries and other things. So the file is still downloading. I think today my Wi-Fi connection is very slow. Okay, C++ is for C++ developer, my favorite. If you want to if you don't know how to run C++ code, simply download MinGW, install MinGW. I can download always from Google. It's very good. MinGW is basically code for live server and live preview. What's the difference between live server and live preview? Like live preview, it's basically very modern and it's not in the browser. Like today if you have a low end PC, the browser like is slowing your PC. So I always prefer the live review because live review is modern and live server is also modern, and you can also download Prettier. Prettier is a great extension for HTML developers. Okay, you can download your themes like material. You can also set the how the icons works. Like material theme is my favorite theme. No, my favorite theme is default dark. Yes, Visual Studio Code default dark. Okay, it's still downloading. Visual Studio Code. Okay. Visual Studio Code. Basically, coding in any language. Visual Studio supports almost every language like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C, C++, and also Java. My favorite language is always Python because Python is very easy compared to C, C++, C Sharp. I think Python is the futuristic language, like it's basically used for AI, artificial intelligence. Also, the Visual Studio Code don't need any internet means if you're using the extensions on GitHub pilots, it's always um, needs internet. But if you're working like a peaceful place with no like Wi-Fi in a park, so how can you get the internet? Like, I don't think many parks have the public Wi-Fi. So Visual Studio Code whenever you like to code. This is very good. Integrated terminal. Use your favorite cell, whatever it's like PowerShell, Git Bash. You can run code, and themes are very good. Okay, it's very long. Today my Wi-Fi. Why my Wi-Fi is so down? GitHub Copilot is free. Now you can now AI will write your code. Yes, ChatGPT ChatGPT is good, but my favorite AI code, if you ask me, what's my favorite code AI code editor or AI code software engineer, AI software engineer, that should be Replit AI. Okay, how the Replit works? Replit. Go to Replit. Simply go to Replit agent. Replit agent is very good. It's basically building an app. You can see Replit agent is basically a AI powered designed to assistant users. Okay, basically Replit can generate a app. It's like a real time developer. You are a manager and is a the Replit AI is the developer, and it's also available on mobile phones. You can use on your iPhone or Android. Okay, it's finally down. 4 minutes. It's down. Some problems. Sorry, the live is very long. You can skip. Hello. Hello. Let's test the thing. Okay. Okay, it's still downloading. uh, I should make a video of how to use Visual Studio Code correctly. Okay, I think it's downloaded. Okay, it's downloading. And many people ask me like, who use Visual Studio Code? We can use Notepad or old code editors. If you are using Notepad, I'm showing you the right why people prefer Visual Studio Code. Like many code editors, first download the heavy code editors that's for advanced. It's very lightweight. Visual Studio Code is very lightweight. Like if you're content to the JetBrains IDE, the JetBrains IDE is not like very heavy. If you are low-end PC user, you can use Visual Studio Code. Okay. School. Okay, let's accept. Okay, next. Okay, this is the most necessary. Create a desktop icon, add open all, select this all. Okay, then next, then simply choose your favorite. Okay, let's cancel it. Yes, let's open Visual Studio Code. Okay, so it's very fast because Visual Studio Code is not heavy. Okay, search for previous video code. Okay, how to, whenever you open Visual Studio Code, if you just install, so it's showing this welcome screen. It's romantic commands over here. You can also go to file, then open folder. Okay, then you can choose any folder you like let's make a blank folder, like new test, then simply select the folder. Okay, look at this UI. Visual Studio Code is great, right? Let's make a Python file. Okay, if you are using Python like me, you need to download the Python extension from the extensions button over here and go to extensions and download the Python. Okay, yes, it's downloaded. All pre-latest version. Just I think when I opened the Python, it's pre-latest version. Okay, whatever. Oh, sorry. Okay, and you need to, if you don't set the path to the environment variables of your PC, you need to set the path, then set the code runner, and I prefer the code runner and some code runner settings over here. Go to settings, then extensions, then go to code runner. We can use the code runner words, the code runner. What's the code runner extension? Okay, run code. Can you find it? Okay, leave this matter. Let's talk about Visual Studio Code. Okay, so our very first code, we can use print. Okay, print in terminal. If I go to terminal, then if I go to command prompt or terminal PowerShell, whatever, I need to learn the Python file like print, then brackets, not even brackets, all brackets loads, then double quotes, then hello, then so very slow. Even people make mistakes, and you can't properly code with the terminal, notepad and partial. Same with notepad, you can run the code, but that's very challenging. Okay, you can add, and now it's printing hello. Okay, good. In Visual Studio Code it's very easy. Just type print, or if you type P, then you can tap. Okay, that's on the developer toggle. Screencast most, it's for screencast. Okay, if you type print, simply P and let's tap, and it's did you see it's generate the first brackets, then double quotes automatically, then hello. It's very fast and very lightweight. Yeah, let's run. So it's very fast. Visual Studio Code is very fast, so we printed hello. Let's make a different. Okay, name equals input. If I type even in, you can do that. Then what's your name? What's your name? Then simply that, then that. Now friend. Okay, then print, then that. Okay, F hello. I can enter double second brackets, then name. Okay, good. Now let's run the code. I can enter like whatever. My name is Hermitra. Let's enter Hermitra. So okay, let's print hello Hermitra, then the file, and we can also write different codes like if else different. So we completed our first point introduction and why you need to use Visual Studio Code. Now the main main settings, themes. Yes, themes. Yeah, you heard right. UI is important. So my favorite is default dark modern. Okay, by Visual Studio Code. You can use. Oh my God, GitHub Lights. Do not, if you are a programmer, night programmer, basically programming at night, so do not use these lights. It's very bad. Oh, themes, then color theme, then GitHub, then light plus material theme lighter. Why? Okay, color theme, dark Visual Studio, GitHub dark. Oops, yeah, I think that's good. Okay, here's a good theme. Next, it depends on your PC what are the settings are. So I'm making a proper video about that. What's the every developer should on that settings, like some image versions we have the C boiler code template. I'm making the proper video today. The live stream, so my battery is not at a good condition. I need to charge my laptop, so I'm making a proper video. I know the content, the video is not good. This video is not very good, but I'm making the best videos you want, guys. So you can support me for future videos, and let's basically erase again. Okay, also you can, this is the best benefit HTML web developers have. Just do shift and 1, boom, the HTML boilerplate code. Okay, HTML boilerplate, or we can write home, then your website. Okay, and also the great functionality of VS Code dot container, that's the best. Okay, also box, the spelling is incorrect. Okay, box, and we can also add like that, header, main. Okay, main, then box 4 times. Okay, we can also add many functions VS Code have. This is the great function VS Code have always. That's a not valid tag. His name, let's so valid tag like li, then 7 times. We can add li. And CSS developers also have this great function, CSS dot CSS. Look how fast. You can't, like the notepad coders can't type this fastly. If you are fast developer, if you are fast typing master, I can't like that. Like this is easy. Visual Studio Code easy. M0 P0. I am simply entering P0 tab. Easy, right? Then you can also box. It's easy, very easy. Whenever wait, boom, 200px or 20vh, 20vw. It's very easy. And if you write a wrong code, Visual Studio Code also shows the errors and many other errors like .g, like that, showing different errors like that. Okay, also you can use many features like debug and others you can use to debug your code. Okay, so I think that's very good. And Visual Studio Code have 60,000 extensions, 60,000 plus, or even more extensions. So Visual Studio Code, you can customize every function in Visual Studio Code, and it's very lightweight. You just need a 64-bit PC. It's very lightweight. I recommend a computer. Coders always use, like, if you are budget friendly, you can use a computer. Laptop battery draining problems always, and laptop parts get bad at low time. Okay, Visual Studio Code launches. Okay, inbuilt terminal also here. Now we can test. That's the PowerShell. We can enter Python, then for Shen, or we can enter like Java. So that's the inbuilt terminal. Okay, if you like my video, you can support my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, thank you.